Hi friends, we're on lesson 16, module 3. I can compare two 3-digit numbers using greater than, less than, and equal to. Okay, first thing you're going to need to do is to make sure that you have a notebook or your dry erase board. And when you have those items, I want you to draw this place value chart. You don't have to label it, just draw your 3 columns. Then I want you to use your place value discs and draw 74. After you have done that, come back to the video, but pause it and wait until you're finished with that part. Okay, how did you draw this? Did you use ones? Did you have to use 100? What did you do? Did you have 7 tens and 4 ones? Great job. Now remember, when we make our tens, we have to do them in a group of 5. And then we start our next column, our next group. And this is to help us see how many more we would need to make a new unit, which would be 100 after we got 10. So right now, to make 74, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. Great. I'm going to have you do another thing now. I want you to add 1 disc, so this number becomes 174. What did you add? That's right, you should have added 100. So now we have 174. I want you to think about this. What number is greater, 74 or 174? Remember, greater means bigger. I'm going to write this down for you just so you can see what I'm talking about. I have my 74 and my 174. So, which one is bigger? Which one is greater? That's right, it's 174. So to show that with symbols, we draw our alligator mouth, just like from first grade, and we open that alligator mouth to the bigger number. So this now says 74 is less than 174. because the alligator is eating this number. All right, we're going to go on. I want you to change your discs to show 105. What discs did you use? You just had to take some away and add a 1, right? We had to have our 100, and then we have 0 in our tens place, and now we have 5 in our ones place. Good. Now, I want you to make the number 135. Did you add 3 tens? Great job. Which number is less, 105 or 135? Right, 105. How can you tell? By looking at this as a picture, we can see that this is 135, 130, and 5. When we made 105, we didn't have any of these tens. So we made this number bigger by adding tens in there. That means that 135 is larger. And this is how we would do it. 135 is greater than 105. All right, let's go on. So erase your boards and now show me 257 on your place value chart. Pause the video because this is a bigger number and then come back when you're ready. Okay, this is what you should have too. 2 hundreds, 5 tens, 7 ones. This is 257. But now what I want you to do is to change it. So it just says 250. You had to take away those 7 ones. Which number is greater, 257 or 250? That's right, 257. We're going to say it in a sentence. I'm going to draw it for you. I'm going to change my pen color here so we can see it a little bit better. Oops. Okay, so I'm going to have 257 and 200. Oops, this is not working for me right now. And 50. So we are going to put the greater symbol there. So we have 257 is greater than 250. All right. So I want you to clear your boards and take a minute, and I want you to divide your board or your notebook into 3 sections, and we're going to do 3 place value charts. And I want you to use these numbers that are on the screen. I want you to draw 472, 274, 724. Pause, come back when you're ready. Okay, so you have to look at this, and I'm going to draw what it should look like. We should have 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 400, and now I need 72. So this, I have to have 7 here. 4, that's 5, which would be 50, 60, 70, 71, and 72. 274 would be 100, 270, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we'll have 724. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 500, 600, 700, 710, 720, 721, 722, 723, 724. So these 3 numbers, 472, 274, and 724, they are using the same numbers, but they're switching them around. So which number is bigger? 472, 274, or 724? That's right, 724. We're going to use these symbols to write a number sentence. So I'm going to show you, let's see, we'll have 724 is greater than 274. Maybe I'll do this one. 472 is less, oops, other way, is less than 724. All right, so let's go on to the next one. Look at this. The number of hundreds is the same in these 2 numbers, but the tens are different and the ones are different. How would we compare them if the hundreds are the same? And the other ones, we always had the hundreds being different. What do we do now? Yeah, we go to the tens place. So we have to go to the next biggest place value, which is the tens. So we have to look for the number that is bigger. Is 4 bigger or 2 bigger? 4 is bigger. So that's how we would compare them. And if I was going to do my symbol, it would be this. 341 is greater than 329. All right, and that's all we're doing today is comparing numbers. Don't forget, if you have any questions, to let me know. All right, see you next time.